Ready? 100 word per minute GCC exam paper pattern. Ladies and gentlemen, I am very happy to extend to you all a most hearty and cordial welcome to the 25th annual general meeting of the company. Para, all of you must have received the director's report and the audited balance sheet and profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March, and with your permission I shall take them as read. Para, the company is now in its 15th year under the new management. During this period, we have steadily wiped out the liabilities of the past. Previous year, for the first time after a break of 12 years, the company was in a position to pay dividend on equity, which was at 5%. This year, we shall be paying a dividend of 15%. Para. The year under review has been a most difficult one. There was shortage of power extending over a period of several months, resulting in a steep fall in production and pushing up costs. Added to this, raw materials have been in acute short supply. I am glad to say that, notwithstanding these obstacles, the company has succeeded in recording an increase of 17% in its turnover the previous year and in securing adequate profits, which has enabled the declaration of reasonable dividend on equity. But for these major handicaps, the production would have been of a much higher order and the profitability also much better than what it has been. Para. During the current year, also, production has been increasing substantially, and further increase in output and higher profitability are considered distinct possibilities at this stage. During the first 6 months of this financial year, the turnover has increased by 20% over the same period of last year. This trend is likely to endure. The increased output has been achieved essentially by modernization program, which is being implemented in stages and which is expected to further improve production. The company has its order book full for quite some year to come. Active steps have been taken to steadily increase the output in the next few years with prospects of much higher profitability. And I'm sure the company will, in the coming years, be in a position to pay higher dividends and also create good reserves. Para. The company, as you are aware, is largely depending upon indigenous technology. It has built up a competent development department in the company. Full stop.